Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can group wallets on Axiom. So the very first thing that you have to do is open your Axiom account. From here at the top, you will see their trackers. So you just have to click on trackers. Now, once you click on that one, you will be redirected here. So just go ahead and tap on your wallet manager and tap on groups. This one, plus icon, click on that. And then from here, just have to put here the name, and you can also customize the color. So once you're done, it will appear here. So we just have to click on this sample, which is what we made earlier. Then after that, just tap on this add wallet. So in here, you just have to put here the wallet address. After pasting the wallet address, just go ahead and tap on add wallet. And then it will be stored in the group that you have just created. So you can also add more here. So you just have to do the same process that we did earlier. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.